Hi over there, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and in today's clip we are testing another set of lashes. This time again Jimire did send out these ones as, can I call it a PR? I guess so. And literally I already have 2 clips on some of their lashes. One of them is actually when I bought it with my own money, and then I posted like a few stories about them on my IG, and they reached out to me and they sent me a pair which were named New Cali, but they are still made by Jimire, if that makes sense, the same owner. And now I actually have another set which are entitled as Jimire. These are actually quite similar with the ones from New Cali. The only difference I did sense when I looked at them is that they look tinier. If you already watched that clip, you know I talked about the fact that I had to trim them. They are beautiful. I actually use those ones as well a lot. I used to not be, because obviously that changed a bit now. I used to be very obsessed with the transparent band. I still am obsessed with the transparent band. However, these ones, at least the ones that are named New Cali, they actually have a really thin, what is it called? Band, for the fact that it's a thick band instead of a transparent one. I'm 100%, transparent, straightforward. If I do like them, I do like them. If I don't, then I don't. But we will see how I'm feeling about these ones as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna open these ones. I already did actually, open them properly and had a look, but I did not wear them. I did not try them. So yeah, let me just open them. So these retail for £9 if I'm not mistaken, or 8 or 9, which is still affordable for 5 pairs of lashes. They are the same style, all of them. Again, they are coming with their own lash glue. They also come with this little guy that I already showed you when it comes to the New Cali video. I have them from another set from before then, and literally they are identical, so there's no difference in that. I am definitely actually not gonna use these ones. I'm gonna keep them. I'm actually planning at one point to do a giveaway over my Instagram, so I would think I will put those ones in a giveaway because I actually use this. This is not a gimmick. I actually use this all the time. So I'm just gonna use my old ones, and this is they are just falling off the like in the other packs it's not falling as easily, so I'm just gonna put it just away. This is the glue. This time is in a transparent bottle. I'm curious. This smells a bit more overpowering, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of smells like glue. But the one that I tried before from them, it's a good, decent glue for the lashes. I still use the duo one. I'm not gonna lie about that. I still use this one just because I feel this one, it's really good for, not this one, the one from New Cali, but I sense it's the same drill. I just sense it's the same glue in the packaging. However, this one smells a teeny tiny bit more overpowering than the other one. The other one, I would say it did not smell overpowering. It just smelled like better than Primark eyelash glue, if you ask me. But this one, this smell a teeny tiny bit like overpowering. However, the only reason I don't reach necessarily out for this for my lashes is because it leaves the lash very tacky and it's very hard to peel off the actual glue in itself. I think the one I tried from New Cali, and if it's the same formula with this one, it's really good for new beginners because it's just, you don't have to wait to dry down. It just literally becomes tacky in a second, and pretty much you just put it on and it stays there. But it definitely does not work out as nice as the duo one, just because I like when I can peel off and have the lash being able to reuse it again. But like I did with the New Cali ones, I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use one of like the duo on one eye and this one on the other eye and see how it goes. So I'm very curious with these ones because, like I was mentioning before, they definitely seem to be on the smaller side than the New Cali one, but they seem to be the same style, maybe a tiny bit shorter in their length. I'm just gonna give you a close-up of how, they are very voluminous. They are Not as long as the New Cali ones. That's my sense. No, I actually have the pair here. I put the New Cali one here, right? You can definitely see it is definitely much longer than these ones, but the volume in itself is pretty much there. It's pretty much the same. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited. What I do sense with most of their lashes is that they come with tiny bits at the end that I personally am cutting. But I'm just gonna firstly see how they come onto my eye. So they're definitely still too long for my eyes. Well, let me tell. Oh, I don't have my scissors. Sorry. So I did cut the ends, as you can see, and let me see how they look on the eye now. Yeah, they seem to be fitting my eye very nicely, so they are not too big. The only reason sometimes I do cut more myself is because my eyes are a tad bit watery, and that's not, it's just my eyes. So I do like to cut and have them maybe starting from here rather than the actual inner corner. But you know what? I'm risking it today. I'm definitely using these ones because I really like them, especially for someone like me with nails. They're not too long, but they are long. I like the applicator. I need to get myself the dual lash with an actual applicator because sometimes I squeeze too much and it just gets a mess. The band is the same as the New Cali one, so it's not too thick. I can definitely appreciate that. So that's the thing with these ones. You don't have to wait too much to dry down. I still use my fingers, but I like to place it in the middle with this and literally take it and push. Be careful though, don't pinch your eye. I almost did that actually. So they are a bit like long, this one. But Jaclyn Hill actually said in one of her clips that it's nice to actually place the end of the lash a bit like upper, so it will give you like that kind of a, you know, long effect, if that makes sense. But I can sense the glue is kind of pretty much the same as the other one. I put too much. That's my issue with this duo one. I need the one with an actual applicator because this is just not for me. So I have to wait with this one around like 30 seconds to dry down and become tacky so I can place it and play with it, because if I will put it now, because it's so wet, it's just gonna not stick. So that's why I feel this one is gonna be nice for new beginners until they are getting used to putting lashes and wearing lashes. But like I said, it's just hard to clean that glue. You can't peel like the one from Duo. Like you just literally take off the lash with the one from Duo and literally just peel off the white. It's not gonna be white, it's gonna be more of a transparent sort of gooey situation there, and you can just pull it off and it pulls off very nicely. That sounded long. Me and explaining stuff? I'm not quite sure if that's my... I'm the best at it, but I'm trying my best, alright? So let's just take a teeny tiny bit of a bigger mirror. I really like them. Like literally, they are much more subtle than the ones from New Cali, and I really like that because sometimes I just wanted something in between. The ones that I have from actual Jimire that I bought with my own money, I don't have something like this, which is very voluminous, not that long, but still having a kind of like dramatic statement, but still in its subtleness, if that's a word and if that's how I should explain it to you. But I think these ones also, they have the right shape for my eye. They are not by any means, like I said, long. For me personally, I am repeating myself again, it's just I do cut them more shorter here. They are a perfect match for tiny eyes. They are just a nice shape when it comes to still being on the dramatic side but still subtle. Because the one from New Cali, they definitely are like this long. I like those ones as well, but like I said, sometimes I was feeling the need for something like this. So I'm actually very happy they sent these ones. to be quite honest, because I actually was looking into, I was craving something like this. But yeah, I'm not surprised. Like I said in the first time when I tried the ones that I bought with my own money, they are really nice quality. They are very cheap. I personally don't necessarily see myself now to pay £10 on one pair. I will probably do that one day, hopefully, but at this very moment, for example, this is a hobby for me. YouTube, Instagram, all that jazz, it's a hobby for me. So I'm definitely willing to, save as much as I can. And I feel buying from Amazon lashes that are actually good is just a bargain, since I also have Prime, and you get 5 pairs for just £8 or 9. It was not more than 10. So yeah, I'm just gonna head off to take some pictures of this look, because I wanted to have the lashes on and have the pictures for my Instagram. Like I said, I will have a tutorial on this look. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna be by the time you're watching this or not, but follow me there because I post loads of looks and tutorials. And obviously subscribe here if you enjoy this type of content. I am pretty much obsessed with beauty. I always try to test out as much as I can, and I'm doing recently a series where I test only one product only, and they are very short, on point, and I am discussing in depth one product. So yeah, that's pretty much it from me for today. I hope by any means this video was useful and relevant, and fingers crossed you're gonna watch my next clip and see if it's worth subscribing or not. But yeah, I'll see you, like I said, hopefully in the next one. Bye.